people. So this is the Mark II for my rocket car. Yeah, rocket car. And this is the engine, rocket engine right there, the fuse right there. This one is entirely Legos rather than being mostly paper. So I will have improved traction control. I used a lot more super glue this time. And that tube right there is an advanced cooling system for the rocket. So the rocket engine connects to there, and the heat gets distributed. It comes out the sides and out the front, and that little glass Lego looking piece is a heat shield for that. All right, so we're gonna take it to my park, and we're gonna launch it. This is a different launch site, by the way. So let's get to it. All I need now is the lighter for the rocket car, so I gotta get it under my grill. Boom, got it. All right, so I got the rocket car right here. Oh, it fell over. I got the rocket car. I got the lighter. I got some scissors and some extra fuel in my, extra, what's it called? Fuse in my pocket, just in case this kind of fails. So we're actually, change of plans, we're going to the original park. Hopefully, I think this is gonna work a lot better than last time. Hopefully it does. And we're gonna see what happens, and this time I'll try to put some slow-mo in the video too. Okay, so we are here at the park, and we're gonna launch the rocket in that old plane hangar right there. So let's go. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use for the runway, same as last time. Hopefully, oh, I forgot to bring the heat shield. Oh, whatever, I made a cardboard heat shield just in case the rocket's engine went off, like blew up, but whatever. Okay, so the rocket, just in case you can't see it, is right here, right where my hand is. And this is regular going, and we have, I'm holding the slow-mo camera. Alright, I'm gonna hold this steady. Alright, I should probably find, I'm just gonna prop it up right here. Just gotta make sure that has a view of the rocket. Okay, alright, so the rocket's gonna come across the slow-mo camera.
I would turn it so it's facing the rocket, buddy,
Okay, maybe.
just in case it doesn't make it that far.
Alright.
Is that good?
Yeah, rocket right here. Alright, you have permission to fire. Here we go. Back up. Whoa! Oops, no. Oh, it ripped both the wheels off again. Oh my god.
I think it went better than the last one.
It did!
Awesome.
Alright. Oh, it smells disgusting. Oh, look at that. Oh, that was amazing.
Wheels.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we can't. Did we lose the back wheels again? Wow, look at that. Oh. Alright, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh my god, there's no melting. The cooling system held up really well. Alright, so this was a huge success.
Here's the other wheel.
Oh, we found the other wheel. Thank God. Alright.
You should probably glue those on.
No, I didn't actually.
No, I said you probably could and they won't come off.
Well, the problem is I couldn't get them off and use them again. Yeah, so, oh, that was amazing. All right, so if we have a successful thing, this is great. All right, yeah, stop the slow-mo video. Oh, this is amazing. It smells like rotten eggs, though. All right, so this was a successful test. This is the Mark II rocket. Oh, wow, we have tear up on the rear engine right there. The cooling system has some wear and tear on the inside, but no melting on the exterior of it. Everything else that was glued together held up pretty well. In the crumple zone, this if you hit this on the thing, it'll push in for more cushion, but it looks like we didn't need to use that, so that's good. We got both pairs of wheels back, which means I can make another one if I really want to. But this was a successful launch, so I'm actually really happy with the results. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel because I have, like, no subscribers. All right, thanks. All right, I should probably find, I'm just going to prop it up right here. Just got to make sure that has a view of the rocket. Okay, all right, so the rocket's going to come across the slow-mo camera.
I would turn it so it's facing the rocket.
Okay, maybe we
Just
should.
in case it doesn't make it that far.
Alright.
Is that good?
Yeah, rocket right here. Alright, you have permission to fire. No. Oh, Rick blows the wheels off again. Oh my god.
I think it went better than the last one.
It did!
Oh,
that was
everything else right
awesome.
here.
Oh. Alright. Oh, it smells disgusting.